अगर पाइथन में आपने लिस्ट नहीं सीखी, इट मीन्स दैट आपने कुछ नहीं सीखा, क्योंकि लिस्ट जो है इन पाइथन एक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक है पाइथन का, राइट। उसके लिए मैं आज आपके लिए एक लेक्चर लेके आया हूँ, इंट्रोडक्शन टू लिस्ट इन पाइथन, जिसमें 17 डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स है, जिसको करने एंड तक जरूर देखना। जैसे मैं जो 17 पॉइंट्स है इसको मैं पढ़ता पढ़ता जाऊंगा और इसको मैं रीड करता जाऊंगा, और दूसरी बात उसके साथ एग्जाम्पल एग्जाम्पल भी करता जाऊंगा, राइट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will see the definition. A list is an order, right? Mutable collection of elements that allows duplicate values and can store multiple data types in a single variable. Right? First of all, we will discuss why we call it as a list as an order. Order का मकसद होता है यहाँ, मतलब जो लिस्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स होगा उसकी इंडेक्सिंग होगी। इंडेक्सिंग का मकसद है जैसे ये हमारे एलिमेंट्स है, राइट। इसके इस एलिमेंट्स की जो, जैसे वन है, वन की एक पोजीशन होगी, टू की पोजीशन होगी, थ्री की पोजीशन होगी, फोर की पोजीशन होगी। उसके लिए हम बोल रहे हैं क्या, लिस्ट इज एन ऑर्डर, राइट। आपको कंफ्यूज होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, राइट। दूसरी बात है म्यूटेबल कलेक्शन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स। म्यूटेबल मीन्स लिखता हूं वहां, म्यूटेबल म्यूटेबल once list is created, you can change it, right. That is why we are going to call is list is a mutable, right. ये मैं करके दिखाऊंगा, सारा लिस्ट का जो कोर्स है पूरा उसमें करके दिखाऊंगा, राइट, राइट। उसके बाद क्या है, that allows duplicate values and can store multiple data types in a single variable। लिस्ट जो है वो स्टोर कर सकता है क्या, मल्टीपल वैल्यूज इन सिंगल वेरिएबल, राइट। लिस्ट आर क्रिएटेड यूजिंग स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट। सपोज वी हैव ए लिस्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इट्स इक्वल टू, so this is the, we call it as a store multiple data types in a single variable, right. So this is list one is called single variable. Lists are created using square bracket. Now we will write the square bracket, right. Then after we write the elements of list, right. So this is called the list in Python, right. A list can contain one or more elements, right. So we have four elements, you know about it, right. List elements are separated by comma. So this is the comma, right. We will use the comma between the numbers with between the elements, right. So lists are ordered, meaning items have a fixed position index, and also we have used index. Suppose list one, we want to change, we want to print one, then I will write only the indexing, right. List one, right. Now I will write the indexing 0, right. Now I will print this, you will get one. That is why we are going to call list are ordered, meaning items have a fixed position index, right. So point number 7, lists are mutable, right. Meaning you can add after creation, that known as what, mutable, right. Lists allow duplicate values. You can write the duplicate value, जैसे 4, 5, 5, right. These are the duplicate values, right. List allow duplicate values. The now point number 9, list can store different data types in the same list. So different data types, you can store the string, right, and you can store the this is the string. You can store what 3.2, 3.4. This is the float, right? Whatever you think, you can store the elements, different data types in the same list, right? List can store different data types in the same list. Each element in a list has an index number starting from 0. I have printed the number. So 1, at 1 we will have index 0, at 2 we will have index 1 and 3. Indexing always start from uh, indexing always start from right to left, right to left, positive, positive number, positive numbers, right? And indexing from left to right, we will start from what? Negative, -1, -2, -3, right? So negative, this is the 11 point number 11, 10. Each element in a list has an index number starting from 0. Then indexing of list always start from 0, right? A negative indexing is supported where -1 refer to the last element, right? Suppose I want to print the last element, right? Then I will write over here what? The -1, right? Now you will get the, so this is 3.4, right? Sorry, you don't have need to write this. So this is 3.4, right? And point number 12, list support slicing to access range of elements, right? Slicing range of elements. Suppose we want to give the 3, then we will print on that. So this is the uh, empty list, because I'm always starting from what? 3.4, right? And point number 13, list can be traversed using loops such as for and while. ये हम क्लियर करेंगे जब टॉपिक आएगा. List can grow or shrink dynamically during program execution. Yes, you can do. It can be. Python provides many built-in methods to manipulate lists such as append, insert, remove, sort. We have 11 methods of list. We will cover them as lecture gone. List can contain other lists known as nested list. लिस्ट के अंदर हम लिस्ट लिख सकते हैं. जैसे हमारे पास ये लिस्ट है, इसके अंदर भी हम लिस्ट लिख सकते हैं. जैसे ये है, इसके एलिमेंट्स क्या हो सकते हैं? 5, ये, राइट? और 17 पॉइंट है, लिस्ट आर कॉमनली यूज्ड टू स्टोर कलेक्शन ऑफ रिलेटेड डेटा, राइट? सो we can store the related data in list. So this is all about the list, introduction to list in Python, right? If you have any confusion related to the list, then you can ask the question in comment box. I will give the answer, right? Thank you very much. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. In the next lecture, we will study about methods of list, right? So it's stay connected, right?